A powerful winter storm swept across much of the United States this weekend, bringing heavy snow, ice, and dangerously cold temperatures. From Oklahoma to New York, communities struggled with the impact of the storm, while some people found ways to enjoy the rare winter wonderland. In Oklahoma City, a rural home caught fire on Sunday morning. Thick flames and smoke rose from the roof as firefighters struggled to reach the scene. The heavy snow and icy roads delayed emergency crews, making it difficult to control the blaze. Aerial images showed the burning house surrounded by snow-covered neighborhoods, highlighting the harsh conditions responders faced. Air travel in the city was also disrupted. At Will Rogers International Airport, crews worked to de-ice planes before takeoff, while most other flights were cancelled due to the severe weather. Residents huddled near frozen ponds or stayed home as the snow blanketed streets and sidewalks. In Tulsa, Oklahoma, temperatures plunged to dangerous levels, prompting acts of extraordinary kindness. Ryan Duval took it upon himself to use a more than 40-year-old fire truck to rescue people caught outside. He drove them to warming shelters, ensuring they could escape the negative 20-degree temperatures. Duval said, "I just saw a need for getting people out of the cold. I know someone staying outside, I wouldn't be able to survive it. So, I'm just out here getting those folks off the street." Meanwhile, in Charlotte, North Carolina, families took advantage of the rare snow to enjoy the outdoors. Children sledded down streets, while others helped clear ice and snow from vehicles. A sense of excitement and fun was visible even as the storm disrupted normal routines. New York City experienced significant snow accumulation from Queens to Upper Manhattan. Residents dug out cars, shoveled sidewalks, and watched snow plows clear streets. In Times Square, snow blanketed the iconic area as machinery worked to clear roads and sidewalks. One local resident praised the city workers, saying, "I'm very grateful for all the bus drivers and sanitation workers. They're trying to keep people safe."
Yeah, I'm very grateful for all the bus drivers and the sanitation workers and all those people who are out working. So they're trying to keep people safe, and I hope the power stays on, because that'll put all those Con Ed workers out working.
Eyewitness video showed snow swirling along deserted paths, a stark reminder of the storm's intensity. The winter storm also caused damage to property, especially in Tennessee, where frozen precipitation led to broken trees and snow-covered homes. Drone photography captured the full scale of the storm, highlighting both the beauty and the dangers of these Arctic conditions. Across the country, the storm showcased the resilience and community spirit of Americans. From first responders battling fire in snow-covered Oklahoma neighborhoods to ordinary citizens enjoying sledding in North Carolina, people adapted to extreme conditions while supporting each other in a frozen landscape. As forecasters warn that the Arctic cold will continue in many regions over the coming days, authorities urge residents to stay safe, avoid unnecessary travel, and check on vulnerable neighbors. With power outages, icy roads, and sub-zero temperatures, caution is key as the storm continues to affect millions of Americans.